So today I'm going to make some chili powder, just like the chili powder you buy at the store. This one I'm going to be making with some ingredients that we've gotten through our garden and have made with our food dehydrator. The ingredients you're going to need. This is our paprika that my husband Phil made with our dehydrator. He dehydrated some peppers. So you're going to start with a 1/4 cup of paprika. This paprika is really, really good. It just clumps a little bit because it's natural. It doesn't have any of the anti-clumping agents in it that you would find in paprika that you probably get from the store. A lot of those anti-clumping agents are corn-based. So since there's a corn allergy in our home, we try to stay away from the corn. So there's our paprika, 1/4 cup. Okay, the next ingredient is going to be garlic, and I'm just using some regular old store-bought garlic, but we have talked about trying to make our own garlic. So I'm going to add that in. That's a tablespoon of that. I'm going to need that tablespoon. And after the tablespoon, this is where we put the hot stuff in. So we're going to put in some of this hot smoked pepper. We're going to put in some of these jalapeno smoked chilies, and there's one more. Last one is cayenne. So all of these ingredients were grown in our garden. Well, not the jalapenos, but we did dry those jalapenos. We smoked them and we dried them. So this is really a pretty cayenne. So there's going to be a teaspoon of the cayenne. And these are like a mixed peppers that were smoked. This was one of our first batches of smoked peppers. So put that. That's kind of spicy, but not really spicy. And then these smoked jalapenos, I'm sure, are just crazy hot. And we'll do a teaspoon of those as well. This is probably going to be somewhat smoky in flavor. So the next ingredient is onion powder. This is our first try at attempt of making onion powder. So we just dried out some onions. Well, actually we smoked the onions, dried them up, and then grind them. And you'll notice, unlike the stuff you buy at the store, this stuff can be kind of clumpy, which is, oh my goodness, which is because it doesn't have the things to keep it from clumping. So the next ingredient would be oregano, and we've got some Mexican oregano here and some dried oregano that we got, and there's about a tablespoon of that goes in it. And then last ingredient is cumin, and I'm just using some store-bought cumin, and we're going to put 2 teaspoons of this into. I'm just going to stir this up and see what it looks like. So the reason I'm making this is because I'm going to put this chili powder into another recipe, which is going to be an enchilada sauce. So this is homemade smoked chili powder. Got all kinds of ingredients from the garden. Just remember, you can always use store-bought ingredients for this recipe. Also, you can substitute the 1 tablespoon of cayenne for the 3 teaspoons of hot peppers. It's really a delicious recipe, and thanks for watching.